evening. This is All India Radio, Kohima. I'm Jonas Yantan with Evening News. The headlines. Padma Bhushan Dr. S.C. Jamir says Nagas cannot afford to remain static and need to move forward with a fast-changing world. 96 countries agree to recognize India's COVID vaccination certificate. Union Health Ministry initiates digital registration under Ayushman Bharat-Digital Mission for digitisation of health records. And the 8th Kohima District Open Volleyball Tournament 2021 gets underway at Kohima. As India achieved the milestone of vaccinating 100 crore people against COVID-19, All India Radio salutes all the people, doctors, nurses and others who made this possible. Even though the country has achieved this feat, we caution our listeners that the battle against COVID is not yet over. We appeal to our listeners who are yet to fully get vaccinated to get vaccinated at the earliest and also help others to get vaccinated. During the festival season, please follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact National Helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 1075 and State Helpline number 1800345-0019. And now the news in detail. Former Chief Minister of Nagaland and Padma Bhushan, Dr. S. Jamir, Nagas said Nagas cannot afford to remain static and need to move forward with a fast-changing world. He said this when the student leaders of the Naga Students' Union Delhi called on him at Nagaland House, New Delhi yesterday. Emphasizing on the importance of the present, Dr. Jamir lamented on how Nagas are still stuck in the past and therefore said the only way for Nagas to move forward is to live and excel in the present. Dr. Jamir advised the student leaders not to only take pride in the past history but rather make history in the present. He also advised the student leaders not to follow the wrongdoings of the older generation, but rather cultivate the work culture of this fast-changing world and contribute to the nation's building. Dr. Jamir further opined that Nagas have 2 identities, of which one is the Christian identity and the other is the Naga identity, comprising of honesty, hard work and courage. Stating that excellence is what matters in the 21st century, he said excellence is an achievable commodity for which the only way to achieve excellence is through sheer hard work. Dr. Jamir encouraged and challenged the younger generation to live up to it. Union Health Minister Dr. Mansukh Mandavia has said that at present 96 countries have agreed to mutual acceptance of vaccination certificates and also those who recognize Indian vaccination certificates of travellers fully vaccinated with Covishield and WHO and nationally approved COVID vaccines. Dr. Mandavia said that it is the reflection of worldwide acceptance of India's vaccines and vaccination process. The Union Health Ministry has initiated digital registration of all medical facilities and all doctors under Ayushman Bharat-Digital Mission for digitisation of health records. Under the initiative, government hospitals have been advised to procure Hospital Information Management System software. Launched on 27th of September by Prime Minister Narendra Modi under the mission, every Indian will get a unique health ID that will also work as a health account to which personal health records can be linked. The Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission will create interoperability within the digital health ecosystem, similar to the role played by the United Payments interface in revolutionizing payments. Citizens will only be a click away from accessing healthcare facilities. Deputy Commissioner and Chairman DTF Trensang Ramnikan Kumar launched a Vaccination Express ambulance for door-to-door COVID-19 vaccination campaign yesterday. The ambulance has been launched to mobilize, track, sensitize and vaccinate those who missed first and second dose of COVID vaccine in Trensang town. Nagaland reported 9 new COVID-19 positive cases, 12 recovered cases and 3 deaths today. With this, the state's total confirmed cases have reached 31,960, while the total recovered cases stood at 30,047 and the death toll due to the disease is 676. There are now 172 active COVID-19 cases in the state. This news comes to you from All India Radio, Kohima. You can also listen to this news bulletin on a YouTube channel, AIR News Kohima. President Ramnath Kovind today conferred the honorary rank of General of Indian Army to Nepal Army Chief Prabhu Ram Sharma at a special function at Rashtrapati Bhavan. Indian Army Chief General Manoj Naravane was conferred the rank of Honorary General of the Nepal Army in November 2020 by the Nepal's President Bidya Devi Pandari. General Prabhu Ram Sharma is in India for a 3-day official visit since yesterday. Nagaland Board of School Education (NBSC) has requested heads of institutions under NBSC to encourage the students to participate in the state-level painting competition. NBSC informed that students of 5th, 6th and 7th standard under Group A and students of 8th, 9th and 10th standard under Group B are eligible to participate. Timeline for online registration for the state-level competition will be from 1st to 30th of November. NPSC further informed that the details of the painting competition and list of state nodal officers are uploaded on www.beindia.gov.in. Tourists will have an opportunity to visit interior Nagaland and taste a pure blend of Naga culture and tradition through the second edition of the Great Hornbill Adventure Trail, GHAT. Organized by the Nagaland Adventure Club in collaboration with State Tourism Department, the GHAT will be held from 7th to 9th of December as part of the Hornbill Festival 2021. The event will be taken to the interiors of the state covering Pek, Zonoputo and Kohima districts. Besides the off-road adventure, tourists will be able to take part in several Naga indigenous competitions and others while they are on tour and will receive an award. This year, new activities has been added such as traditional attire show for women participants and cooking competition for team participations. Nagaland Adventure Club said a total of 25 teams will be able to participate in the GHAT. Interested tourists can participate by registering themselves through the website of the Nagaland Adventure Club and their social media handles by paying a fee of 1,000 rupees per team. Deputy Commissioner Noklak Hiazu Meru has informed that the rate of taxi fare under Noklak district has been revised back to the pre-lockdown rate or as per the latest rate fixed on account of 100% seating capacity being permitted. The Deputy Commissioner informed that the order is effective from 1st of November. Kohima District Legal Services Authority, in collaboration with various government departments, will organize a mega legal camp on 13th of November at Town Hall, Zemenu. Additional Deputy Commissioner Zemenu, W. Manbai Pom, has informed the public of Zemenu Subdivision that the camp seeks to sensitize the public, particularly a marginalized section of the society, on the concept of free legal aid and also to acquaint the public with the various welfare programs and schemes of the government. The 3-day-long 8th Kohima District Open Volleyball Tournament 2021 got underway at Kohima local ground today. A total of 18 teams, 9 each from both women and men, are vying for the trophy. The league matches are underway. In the inaugural match of the men's category, defending champion Chenino Brothers Kirupema lost their match against Michazo Mima by 2 straight sets. Speaking at the inaugural function, Director of Youth Resources and Sports Akamla Juba opined that this tournament is the best example to showcase how people's active participation can bring about a change. She said it offers an excellent platform for identifying talents as well as providing an opportunity to promote the game. The tournament will conclude on November 12th. And now 20 news, here are the main points again. Padma Bhushan Dr. S. Jamir says Nagas cannot afford to remain static and need to move forward with a fast-changing world. 96 countries agree to recognize India's COVID vaccination certificate. Union Health Ministry initiates digital registration under Ayushman Bharat-Digital Mission for digitisation of health records. And the 8th Kohima District Open Volleyball Tournament 2021 gets underway at Kohima. That is all we have in this evening news bulletin. Good night.